I got of this car is the bright. Your boy is looking different because he is going to a different place. What's up guys, welcome to Petrolheads Paradise. Well, today is not any supercar day. Today is a very different day where rather than going on a supercar drive or a supercar adventure, we'll be going to a dealership. We are invited to a dealership as a guest in the Volkswagen showroom. Okay, so how it went? The guys from Volkswagen Navi Mumbai reached out to me and they said there is an event of the Polo and Vento facelift in the showroom. Your boy is invited as a guest at the showroom and I'll be sharing some extra information which you might not know about Petrolheads Paradise. Your boy has become so big now, he's getting cars to receive him for the event. And here it is. Vento, bro. I am a petrolhead. What does petrolhead mean? A person who always prefers to drive cars for its transport. And I am the person who loves manual cars. And when I drove the Octavia VRS, remember the previous video, that one, and even in this Vento, it's having a DSG gearbox. Manual will be always my choice, but automatics are getting really fun to drive and even quicker. Around 2 to 3 minutes to reach. I'm getting goosebumps. So you're a diesel head or a petrol head?
Obviously diesel head.
The car you drive is Figo diesel, right?
It's 1.4.
How's the experience with the American brand?
American is like...
The build quality, reliability.
Can't compare it to German obviously.
Of course we can.
But yeah, as a Ford, being a Ford member, it's like good car.
This is the gate of D.Y. Patil College and we are about to reach the dealership. Oh yeah, we reached. We'll be unveiling the car. So this is the dealership.
So yes guys, so जो भी videos बनते हैं guys, once I tried and I was like, dude, this is not my cup of tea. इतनी मेहनत होती है. First of all, traveling places. I'm talking about the bloggers who are the travelers who are into automobile industry. ये वीडियो बनाना, फिर उसको रात में बैठ के एडिट करना, पब्लिक को वो कंटेंट पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा. ब्लॉगर मिस्टर अक्षय खेनी फ्रॉम पेट्रोलहेड्स पैराडाइज, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. So it's been how long you are like been doing this?
Thanks a lot, man. It's been around 2 years I've been doing, and first of all, I would like to thank Autobahn Volkswagen for inviting me here and for this beautiful condition of these cars. And my journey, like you asked my journey, right? Some of my guys who don't know, and even my followers don't know that I used to work at the service center of this exact dealership as a technician.
Would you mind sharing the number of subscribers you're having right now?
Currently, I've crossed 1 lakh plus subscribers.
Power, bro! Crazy, man.
Thanks a lot.
Crazy.
Thanks a lot. It's also a community of young people and young car enthusiasts who wants to buy cars. So that's all about my.
So that's how it works, bro. Like, so what age group your target is? Like, what is your audience?
My age group is from 18 to, you can say 45 to 50. 18 to 50. Basically, I'm having the youngest crowds on my channel.
18 to 50?
Yeah.
अच्छा, आपका मतलब 50 साल वाले जवान होते हैं.
हाँ.
Oh,
Yeah, of course.
Smile हो गया ये शक्ल पे. By the one and only the Akshay Kenny, bro. You've given a great feedback and even आपको कैसी लग रही है? By a look at
My
least.
personal favorite too. The car which is unveiled now, the black grille and the updated bumpers and all the new design. It's looking beautiful. What do you think, guys?
Unveiled by the Akshay Kenny and the president of Rotary Club Navi Mumbai. Come on, guys. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए इनके लिए. And for the brand new Volkswagen Vento and Polo. और क्या बढ़िया, मतलब ये बहुत सिलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा है कलर का. Okay, and what do you think? पहला look कैसा था? First impression, what was that?
The first impression I got of this car is the bright red shade and the Polo unique design.
अच्छा, he's a Vento man, you're a Polo man.
Yeah, I'm a Polo man. And what I felt with the design is, I want to drive the car right now.
and thank you so much for unveiling the brand new Volkswagen Polo and Vento. Thank you so much. You guys can take your seat. Hip hip! Hip hip! And hip hip! Hip hip! Congratulations guys and thank you so much.
So I came inside. This was almost, you can see, the most silent place of the area, and the feeling I got, it's a small event, but the feeling I got was so good. And personally, when I unveiled the Volkswagen Polo, I felt amazing. It was really cool. After the long day, the event is over and we are alone with these both cars, and we should take a good walk around of these cars. This is the facelifted one with the black grills and even the new Vento. It's amazing. Just have a look. So this is the new Polo and the new Vento, and let's take a walk around of this. These are the headlights, the black grille, the GT badge, as it's a GT car. The color is amazing, and this is the side profile of the car. The car has some optional graphics where you can see it's a GT line and cool hexagon shapes with the GT line badges here as well. This is the car from the rear. Let's check out the interior of this. It's nice, it's very high quality. This is a 1.2 liter 4-cylinder TSI GT which pumps up 105 horsepower. And now we check the Polo GT line, and let's check out the new Vento which also has a GT badge, which makes me excited. Oh, I like this chrome. And this is the lavish interior which is in a beige shade. This has a small lip spoiler, and this has a 490 liters of boot space, and it's humongous. And that's a wrap, guys. This was a whole of the event, and the new cars, the Polo and the Vento facelift has been unveiled. If you like the video, please do hit like, feel free to comment, and please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Petrolheads Paradise. Again soon I'll be back with new exciting videos, so then take care, make some noise, bye bye, take care, and Jai Hind. Woo!